Everybody, it's Abby. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be doing my no-buy update or makeup spending update. I don't know what I'm going to call this yet because it wasn't on no-buy in January. We'll see when I put this up what I'm going to title it. But sorry if I'm like winded or if I sound a little raspy, because I'm pretty sure I caught bronchitis from my brother or my dad. Well, my brother caught it from my dad, so I'm pretty sure I caught it from my brother. Anyways, the last haul I posted was my Christmas, like what I got for Christmas slash what I bought around that time, and so I'll link that down below if you haven't seen it already. But that was a pretty big Ulta haul, and so I don't remember if I talked about this in that video or not, but when I made that haul I was so close. Like, I had it planned out, I had enough in gift cards to, almost enough gift cards to be able to hit platinum, and I was like, I might as well just go ahead and go for it, because I think platinum is worth it if you shop at Ulta a lot, just because you earn points faster and you get extra discounts and stuff. And so I made that big order, and I didn't even realize that it was like before tax, the amount that you had to spend, so I was like $15-ish short, maybe less than that. So I went and bought, actually no, it was less than, it was like $7 or something ridiculous, that I could have just like bought something else. Because I asked the lady at the store and she was like, yeah, you're platinum. I thought, but like, I guess she thought that I meant that I needed to be platinum this year, but I need to be platinum next, like, for 2018. So anyways, so I bought a Morphe brush, which I had wanted to try, but I, like, my brain, I guess, just didn't fire that day because I accidentally bought an animal hair brush and they weren't marked as such in the store. So it was the Morphe M433 that everybody and their brother talks about. So yeah, I took that back. And also with that, I bought an Essence eyeliner, the ones that I like, the what is it called? Extreme Lasting liners. That's what they're called. And so I ended up having to take that back. And well, actually, I waited until after the new year to take it back so they wouldn't like revoke platinum. So I bought these two brushes here. So these were in a set from Real Techniques. This one is the crease prep brush, and this one is the defining crease brush. So the crease prep brush is pretty similar to the deluxe crease brush. It's getting confusing. There's too many creases. So this is the deluxe crease brush. This is the crease prep. So this one, the new one that I got, is slightly slanted, whereas this one is kind of flat. And this one, the one that I had, the crease, or the deluxe crease brush, I use that for like an all over shadow, like a shimmery taupe kind of color. I'll just put that all over with this and call it done. But this one, I use that for like applying, not necessarily a transition shade, because I would do that with like a fluffy brush, but I would put like my crease color with this one. And then this little guy, I saw this, I was like, I need that because I have liked doing halo eyes recently, and I needed a small blending brush that could kind of get in to the inner corner because my other one's a little too big and it makes it all muddy. So this one is working pretty well for that purpose. And then in that order also, I got the BH liquid lipstick in the shade Clara. So I mentioned this in my nude mauve lipstick shop my stash video. Basically, it's the same color as every other nude mauve lipstick, so I mean, if you're looking for like a Lolita type lipstick, I would go for this one. Actually, I'm going to do a video later on about how I want to stop buying cruelty-free products that aren't listed on Logical Harmony, so I'll do a whole video about that. But yeah, so got this lipstick. I actually like the formula, so hopefully maybe one day they get listed on Logical Harmony. And then a little while after that, I returned something to Sephora. I returned the Urban Decay Troublemaker Mascara because I really hated it, and they gave me a store credit, but the only Sephora, well, the nearest Sephora to me is inside of JCPenney's, and I would have had to go like a little bit out of the way to go to a normal one. So I didn't even think anything of it. Like, I just returned it and they gave me a store credit, which I had no idea that Sephora inside of JCPenney store credit only works at Sephora inside JCPenney, not regular Sephora, not Sephora online. So yeah, but anyways, so I did that, and then I had like $50 worth of gift cards for Amazon But if you get an Amazon gift card, you can actually buy another gift card for another store with that Amazon gift card. So I bought a Sephora one. And then I got a couple things that I really wanted and that I didn't need. These are also in my Nude Mauve lipstick video. This is the Anastasia matte lipstick in the shade Latte. I think I've worn this on camera before, but I just really like that color, and I kind of took for granted liquid lipstick after I bought this, because liquid lipstick is so much easier for me to apply now than regular lipstick. And then I got the Kat Von D Bow and Arrow liquid lipstick. This is full size, only full size Kat Von D I think I've ever had. And I really like the shade, so I'm glad that I got the full size. And then this is what I wanted in the first place. I went to the store, this is why I ordered online, because they didn't have this at the store. This is the Kat Von D Saint perfume. So I've tried the Saint and Sinner perfumes. I actually had a sample of the Saint one, and I think in a video, I don't remember which video it was, my palettes like fell off of my desk while I was filming. And my perfume, I have this little like old candle jar full of my perfumes, and that fell off, and they all survived except for my favorite one, of course. So I just bought a bigger one. Hopefully this one is not as fragile. And which the center one survived, so I don't know. So yeah, I'm really happy with that purchase. Then, so 2 more shopping trips for this update. So I went to Ulta because I returned my Tarte foundation finally. If you haven't seen that video, go check that out too, where I'm talking about how I'm boycotting Tarte and not using them anymore. And I had a brand new unopened Amazonian clay foundation, so I just returned it. And then I had some Ulta brand makeup wipes that were absolute crap, so I returned those too. And so I bought, I'm just going to go down, I'm looking at my makeup inventory. I write down what I buy and how much it costs, that way I remember for these videos. But the first thing I got was the Pacifica Persian Cherry Lip Balm. I haven't actually used this yet, it's unopened still, but I will open it and smell it because I have not smelled it yet. This is actually not that bad. Actually, wait, it's coming back to me. This smells like Flintstones vitamins. That's so weird. But I also have the Kale one, which smells like, it smells like cut flowers. Not like that fake floral scent, it smells like actual cut flowers. So I got this one on accident because I wanted the mango one. And I think like the tester was in front of, or they were mixed up in there or something when I grabbed the wrong one. Oh well. Then I got 2 of the Pacifica Cactus Water wipes. So these, I thought that I was out of them, but I actually still have like 3 more. So I have 5 now in my backup, but I use these quite a bit. So, and then I got, this is the one that I bought, but it's just, I'm showing you. I got another pack of the Cherry Kisses lipstick wipes because they were actually on clearance. They were like $3 and something, which stinks because I really like these. And they are like absolutely amazing for taking off liquid lipstick, or if your lips are like totally chapped at the end of the day. They kind of exfoliate and moisturize at the same time. So I really love these. I actually like tear them in thirds to kind of extend the life, because you don't need like a big wipe like this just for your lips, you need just a little bit. So I just tear them off and stuff them back in there. Alright, and then I think this was the last thing. Actually, no, it wasn't the last thing. So I got the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. So I got this before I looked farther into NYX, and apparently, like, I don't know how I've gone, how many years I've been cruelty-free now, like 2? NYX is cruelty-free, I'll say that, but they're owned by a parent company, which some people may not consider to be cruelty-free, but that's beside the point. NYX does not guarantee that any of their products are vegan. So that means that, say I'll buy this, I'll read the ingredients, it's all good. But then if they make it again, or if they do another batch, it may be different ingredients that may or may not be vegan. So I think this was my last NYX purchase until they can get that all straightened out, because that's just bonkers to me. Like, I don't know. But I'm curious to try it out, though. It is a really good shade match. I got the shade Porcelain, which is I think the lightest one. This is actually a repurchase, so I got the Naked Skin by Urban Decay concealer. I had this quite a while ago, and I really liked it, so I wanted to get it again. I got it in the shade Fair Warm. I feel like the warm kind of like counteracts my dark circles under my eyes somehow. But like with foundations, I can kind of lean warm, cool, or neutral. Neutral I think looks the best, but I can go either way, just as long as it's not orange. So yeah, I like this concealer. I just wish it was a little cheaper. Alright then, the last thing, I made a trip to Walgreens because I really wanted to try the Wet n Wild foundation, and I got that, and I am really impressed so far. I'll definitely include this in an updated like vegan and cruelty-free pale foundations comparison. So I have one up on my blog, and I post on Instagram about it, but next time I'll do a video. I really like this foundation. I got the shade Shell Ivory. So this foundation does have a good shade range. The thing is that the whole range is not available in every store. It's like when I went to Walgreens, like they have plenty of dark shades on their website and everything, and you can even get it on Ulta's website, but in Walgreens they only had like the 6 lightest ones, which is, I don't know, I mean, unless like that Walgreens doesn't sell, I don't know, but, which didn't Walgreens used to have like a more people of color geared brand? I don't remember what the name of it was, but I swear they used to have one. It was like on an end cap, but now it's not there. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, so I am actually really impressed with this, and yeah, it's $6 well spent for, I mean, it's 1 ounce, so it's the same as every other foundation, so pretty good. And then Rand HY and Logical Harmony like these, so I had to try them. It was the Wet n Wild and Mega Glow makeup sticks. I got a concealer and a contour. So the contour is in the shade Oaks on You, and the concealer is in the shade Follow Your Bisque. So I have tested, like I've swatched them, and the concealer actually looks like it would actually match. Like I know most concealer stick type of things are not going to match me, but this one is pretty good. And then, I haven't tried it on my face, but like the color is pretty good, I should say. And then the contour stick, it might be a little reddish for me, so I'll have to try that out. I usually like more of a, like a gray toned contour, which the next one up just looked way too dark, so. And the contour one is a more of a cream to powder type of thing, whereas the concealer is just kind of like a creamy concealer. So I think I added it up. I only paid like $30-some out of pocket for all this because like some of it I bought after I made a return, some of it was with the gift card, so I bought all the stuff at Walgreens out of pocket, but like at Ulta I made a return, so I only paid like I think $5 for that one. And then I paid a little bit at Sephora because I thought that I was going to have that other gift card, but I couldn't use it. So, yeah. So this starts my no-buy because I will link below the Project Pan Roulette, which I'm going to be doing off and on project pans throughout the year 2018, and just kind of like in between I'll be able to buy things if I need them, but then like while I'm on the project pan I'm going to be on a no-buy because my project pans are far more successful if I'm on a no-buy because I'm not tempted to use like all the new stuff. So anyways, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed these kind of videos. Let me know what you want to see next. Subscribe so you don't miss any future ones, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.